Alright, listen carefully. If you're holding a Chase, Amex, Capital One, or Discover card in your wallet right now, you need to hear this. Because heading into 2026, the US credit card system is changing, and for most Americans, these changes are not good. We were told fees would go down. We were told rewards would get better. But the reality? Banks are tightening the system, and most people have no idea it's happening. Today, I'm breaking down three major credit card changes coming into 2026 that could quietly cost you money, and one important opportunity that smart Americans can still use to their advantage. Bad news has shown late fees are staying high. Let's start with the biggest disappointment. Earlier, regulators tried to cap credit card late fees at just $8. It sounded amazing. It was supposed to save Americans billions every year, but that rule was blocked. What does that mean for 2026? It means banks are still allowed to charge full late fees. If you miss a payment even by one day, you could be hit with fees over $30, and repeat late payments can still cost over $40. The uncomfortable truth? Banks make serious money from late fees, and they fought hard to keep them. Real advice: don't depend on regulations to protect you. Go into your banking app and turn on autopay for at least the minimum amount. That single step can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Bad news: Hash 2 premium card benefits are shrinking. If you're a traveler, this one matters a lot. Premium cards like the Amex Platinum or Chase Sapphire Reserve look amazing on paper, but behind the scenes, benefits are being quietly reduced. Over the past year, we've already seen lounge overcrowding, limits on how often you can enter, guest access being restricted it, spending requirements just to unlock benefits you already pay for the and heading into 2026, this trend is expected to continue. Why? Because banks issued too many premium cards. Lounges got packed, costs went up. So now banks are tightening access while keeping annual fees high. Here's the real question you should ask. If you're paying hundreds of dollars every year but can't actually use the benefits when you travel, is that card really worth it? Bad news. Has 3 less competition between banks. Now, let's talk about something most people aren't paying attention to. Capital One is in the process of acquiring Discover. This is a massive move in the US credit card industry. Why does this matter to you? Because when big banks merge, competition usually goes down. And when competition goes down, uh, rewards and customer friendly perks often disappear quietly. Discover has traditionally been known for simple rewards, strong cashback categories, okay? Consumer friendly policies. As this merger moves forward into 2026, there's a real chance that some of those unique benefits get reduced or removed. If you use Discover cards, keep an eye on updates to your terms and rewards. Big changes often happen quietly during transitions like this. The good news: banks are still fighting for new customers. Now, for the good news. And this part actually creates opportunity. Even though banks are tightening fees and benefits, they still desperately need new customers. What does that mean? Big welcome bonuses. As we move into 2026, banks are offering some of the highest sign up bonuses we've seen in years. Tens of thousands of points, large cash bonuses, travel credits. If you have good credit and use cards responsibly, this is where the system still works in your favor. Smart Americans aren't loyal to banks, they're loyal to value. If a card stops making sense, they move on. That mindset alone can save or earn thousands of dollars. Final thought: the US credit card system isn't getting simpler, it's getting more aggressive. Fees stay high, perks get tighter, rules change quietly. But if you stay informed and intentional, you can still win. If you want me to break down which cards are actually worth it going into 2026 based on real value, not hype, tell me in the comments. And if this helped you understand what's really happening, subscribe, because this channel exists for one reason: to help you stay ahead of the system, not get trapped by it.